Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, you've heard about StashAway, right? The cool investment app that promises to grow your money while you sleep. But here's the million-dollar question: how much should you actually put in? Is it your entire savings? A small chunk? Or maybe you should just stick to your piggy bank? Let's dive in and figure it out together. Understanding your financial goals. Before we start throwing money around, let's talk about your goals. What are you saving for? A new car? A house? Retirement? Your dream vacation? Knowing your goal is like having a map. It helps you decide how much you need and for how long. Emergency fund first. I know, the shiny allure of investments is tempting, but let's not get carried away. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's that cushion that saves you from dipping into your investments when unexpected expenses pop up. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Once you've got that covered, you can start thinking about StashAway. Risk tolerance, it's not just a fancy term. Everybody's comfort level with risk is different. Some people are thrill seekers, ready to gamble at all, while others prefer a steady, slow and steady approach. StashAway offers different portfolios to suit different risk appetites. Conservative, moderate, aggressive, the choice is yours. How much is enough? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. But here's a general rule of thumb: start small. Even if it's just a few $100. This helps you get comfortable with the platform, understand how it works, and see your money grow. As your income increases, you can gradually up the ante. Remember, consistency is key. Regular, even small contributions can add up significantly over time. Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. StashAway offers diversified portfolios, which means your money is spread across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps manage risk. But remember, diversification doesn't guarantee profits, it just helps to reduce potential losses. Long-term game. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Short-term fluctuations in the market are normal. Don't panic and withdraw your money. Stay invested for the long haul. The magic of compounding works its charm over time. Other investment options. StashAway isn't the only game in town. You might want to explore other investment options like mutual funds, ETFs, or even real estate. Do your research, compare, and choose what aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't forget about fees. No investment is without its costs. StashAway has its own fee structure. Make sure you understand what you're paying for. Compare it with other investment platforms to see if you're getting value for your money. Seek professional advice if needed. If you're unsure about anything, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Review and rebalance. Your financial situation can change over time. It's essential to review your investment portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. This process is called rebalancing. And there you have it. Investing in StashAway can be a great way to grow your money, but it's important to approach it with a clear plan. Remember, your financial journey is unique, so tailor your strategy to your goals and risk tolerance. Start with a small amount, let it grow, and don't be afraid to dream big. Consistent investing and patience are your best friends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.